As an INKOMPASS intern, you're not the one who runs and gets the coffees. You get the coffee. Thanks, mate. Working at a global organisation, you get to work on real problems for real people. Speaking of, since I've been talking to you, I'm running a little bit late. Are you coming? You'll get given a project to work on while you're here, and it just so happens that my review is today. So not to be rude, but I'll see you later. Because all the interns are busy working on their different projects across all different departments, we don't get to see each other all day, every day. But having a cafe in the business means we get to catch up every now and then. At the end of this week, I'm presenting to the management team what I've been working on for the last 6 weeks, which means I need to go through a couple of run-throughs. Today was a big day. The best part about working in the Melbourne city is you can head straight downstairs to the multitude of bars and cafes straight at our doorstep. I'll see you later.